A clause is a sentence that has a subject and a predicate, unlike a phrase. A phrase is only a subject or a predicate. Think of a clause like Santa. He gives everything to everyone. A clause is the same thing. You give everything to it, subject and predicate. Before we make a sentence, you have to know these things.
A subject is a pronoun and a noun. A predicate is a verb. A clause has both a subject and a predicate. A phrase has one or the other, a predicate or a subject. Since I'm like Stephen Rogers, I can do this all day. If you take the first contraction word and split it up into two parts, the I, which is a subject, and the M, which is a predicate, that means this is not a phrase, it is a clause. If you took the I out, like Stephen Rogers, I can do this all day. Put the comma to make it a compound sentence. That would make this a phrase.
Now let's learn about dependent and independent clauses. A dependent clause needs other parts of a sentence to make sense. Usually starts with words like however, when, if, etc. For example, let's make a sentence. If you are hungry, you should go to the cafeteria. You can't have if you are hungry, period, because you need more to go with it for it to be a complete thought. But in an independent clause, it can stand by itself. She is independent. You don't need to add on to it to make it a complete thought